And good afternoon there, Carolinas. This is a look at the next 3 days or so, kind of a short glimpse into the future, if you will. Currently 76 degrees here at Charlotte Airport and 72 down here in, um, what's this capital? Columbia of South Carolina, right here. 79 in Charleston, 73 in Myrtle Beach, and it looks like 76 here in Wilmington. Kind of hard to make that out. So an overall beautiful day. Here's the front back in here with these clouds, and also in the 20s out here in Illinois, and it's just cold plains, cold air coming down in from the plains. Look at the tight temperature gradient out here in Denver. Snowing out there, 6 degrees, 5 degrees, single digit readings. This is unprecedented for November, although they are a mile up in the atmosphere. So any hype about Denver you hear, just keep in mind that they're higher up in the atmosphere on a mountaintop, so they're going to be colder, of course, than their surroundings. Teens out here in the plains, 20s. Western Kansas is more colder air. Seems like it's trying to push through out there. We're going to have to watch this because the southern branch of the jet stream is getting ramped up here. The subtropical jet, this is responsible for transporting moisture, especially into the southeast and along the east coast here during the wintertime. So if this thing is getting active, we're going to have to watch this situation carefully, especially with these disturbances swinging down out of the Rockies, as we see right here, going to join with this. What's this going to do? We're getting in an active time of year here, and this is more like a wintertime pattern. So this is nuts. Let's look at the short-term NAM model. And it looks like there could be a few sprinkles as the frontal passage moves through, primarily in the western tier of the mountains. And then looks like Thursday evening, um, the temperature swing comes through finally. And it looks like there's some flurries possible here in the mountains as we head into the wee hours of Friday morning. And temperature is just dropping off. Quite windy out there, tied out any loose furniture. This piece of energy is going to swing through. And as it does, it's going to leave behind some cold temperatures here. As we see, the freezing line is all the way down into Georgia and South Carolina above the ground. So that's just going to mean that we're going to be really cold here as high pressure settles in on early Saturday morning. Temperatures could dip down to the 20s, especially here in Charlotte, and in the teens in the western mountains. Cold is the story with possibility of mountain flurries. Thanks for watching this segment of Weather Ranger Carolina forecast. Have a great day.